If you want to learn how to intersect shapes in Gimp, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to create an intersection between two shapes, so you can keep only the overlapping area. This is really useful when you're building clean geometric designs, logo ideas, masks, or any project where you want one shape to overlap another and remove everything else. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Gimp tutorials. Let's jump in. The method we're using here is called the Selection Intersect, and it works best when you are drawing quick geometric shapes like circles or rectangles as selections. So first, you need to choose your starting shape. On the left toolbar, select the Rectangle Select tool by pressing R or the Ellipse Select tool by pressing E, depending on the shape you want to begin with. Then click and drag on the canvas to create your first selection. You'll see the familiar marching ants outline appear around it, which tells you that the selection is active. Now comes the important part. To activate Intersect mode, hold down both the Ctrl key and the Shift key at the same time. When you do this, Gimp changes the selection behavior so you can intersect the next shape with the first one. You should notice a tiny intersection cross icon appear next to your cursor. That little icon is your sign that Intersect mode is turned on correctly. Next, while still holding Ctrl and Shift, click and drag your second shape over the first one. Try to position it so the two shapes overlap in the exact area you want to keep. This can be a circle over a rectangle over another rectangle, or any combination of selection shapes that Gimp supports in this method. The key is that the overlapping section is the part that will remain after the selection is made. Once you've placed the second shape where you want it, release the mouse button. Gimp will immediately delete everything except the overlapping area. That means only the intersection of the two selections stays active, which is exactly what you want when creating precise shape-based edits. If the result doesn't look right, don't worry. Just undo and try again, or redraw the shapes with a little more space and better alignment. Because this is a selection-based method, it gives you a fast way to test different overlaps without having to use complicated paths or advanced tools. It's especially helpful for beginners who want a simple workflow. You can also use this technique as a starting point for more advanced editing. Once the intersected selection is created, you can fill it with color, cut it out, apply effects, or use it as a mask for other design elements. That makes this one of those small Gimp tricks that can save a lot of time once you understand it. So to quickly recap, select your first shape with a Rectangle Select tool or Ellipse Select tool, hold Ctrl and Shift to enable Intersect mode, draw the second shape over the first, and then release the mouse button to keep only the overlapping area. That's how to intersect shapes in Gimp the easy way. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Gimp tips and tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.